Hi, I'm Maria from Crochet Fashion.
In today's video tutorial, you will see how to crochet easy to make pattern. For work, I will use a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I'm beginning from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My foundation chain is ready. In your case, it could be more or less. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one row. Then make a chain for transition part. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Pull up a loop to the level of the chain. Then insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. I am done single crochet 2 together. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. Pull up a loop into the same stitch, pull up a loop into the next stitch, and pull through. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook, make single crochet into the last stitch. My row is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the second row. Make a chain, turn the work. Here how it looks on the second side. I can crochet my stitches in two ways. They are front and back loops. I can work with both loops, or I can work with back loops only. And now I show you both ways. And now I show you how to crochet my stitches in two ways. I insert the hook into two loops, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. You can use my pattern to create any product. For this project, you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. I remind you, I am working with both loops. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one row. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Pull through loops on the hook. Pull up a loop, pull up a loop, and make single crochet into the last stitch. Make a chain, turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull through loops. So keep working in this way till the end of this row as many times as you need for your project. This is double-sided pattern. I'm done some rows. Here how it looks. I remind you, this is double-sided pattern. You can use it anywhere. And for example, I have done exact pattern but using another color of yarn. It is very simple and fast to make project in the same time. You can use leftovers yarn to create your project more colorful. You can use such kind of pattern to create cardigan, blanket, or another accessories for home or kitchen. And now I show you how to crochet such pattern in another way. I insert the hook into the working loop, make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull throw loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull throw loops on the hook. It is very easy to make. I remind you, I am working with back loops only. Here what I have at this point. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull throw all loops on the hook. Work with back loops. Insert the hook into the single crochet into the same stitch. Here what I have at this point. Make a chain and turn the work. Work with back loops only. 1, 2 and pull through. 1, 2, pull through. 1, 2 and pull through. 1, 2 and pull through. 1, 2 and pull through. Like this. This is the last stitch and single crochet into the same loop. Here what I have at this point. So keep working in this way as many times as you need. I'm done some rows of single crochet two together into the back loops. Here what I have. Please write comment below this video where you will use this pattern and what you will get with me. I've done some examples using different colors of yarn. Here how they look like. In this case I am done single crochet two together into the both loops. This is double-sided pattern. And in this case I work it into the back loops only. So you can use such kind of pattern to create any product. Also you can use leftover yarns to create your project colorful and more personal. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one row. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and bye.